Is the AI boom about to burst? Google's boss is sounding the alarm, and his warning is impossible to ignore. Sundar Pichai, the man who runs Alphabet, Google's parent company, sat down with the BBC at Google's California headquarters. His message? There's irrationality in the current AI frenzy. The numbers tell the story. $1.4 trillion in deals swirling around OpenAI. Alphabet's stock has doubled in 7 months to $3.5 trillion. Nvidia just became the world's first $5 trillion company. Companies are spending astronomical sums on a technology that's still finding its footing. And the bubble fears are growing louder by the day. Sound familiar? It should. This looks a lot like the dot-com bubble of the late 90s, when internet stocks soared on pure hype, then crashed spectacularly in 2000. Companies collapsed overnight. Jobs vanished. Pensions took a devastating hit. Fortunes were wiped out. And Pichai admits something crucial. No company is immune. Not even Google. Yes, AI will be transformative, just like the internet turned out to be profound. But not all this money will pay off. Here's the reality check. OpenAI is expected to make less than 1,000th of the planned investment this year. The math simply does not add up. But Pichai believes Google has an advantage. The company owns what he calls the full stack. Everything from specialized AI chips to YouTube's massive data reserves, to cutting-edge models and frontier science. That integrated approach, he argues, gives Google a better chance to weather the storm. But still there are costs. Real costs. AI is devouring energy at an alarming rate. Google's own climate targets are slipping because of it. The company still aims for net zero by 2030, but Pichai admits the rate at which we are hoping to make progress will be impacted. And then there's the human cost. Jobs, careers, entire professions are about to change. Pichai calls AI the most profound technology humankind has worked on. Every profession, teachers, doctors, lawyers will be transformed. The people who will do well are the people who learn how to use these tools, Pichai warns. Adapt or fall behind. That's the reality. The AI revolution is real. The investment is massive. The potential is enormous. But revolutions are messy, and this one might get a lot messier before it gets better. The question is not whether AI will change everything. It's whether we are ready for what comes next. With Debangana Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.